Are you tired of constantly tapping the screen on your iPad when you're trying to produce music within Logic Pro on your iPad Pro? Well, what if I told you you could have all of the essential keyboard shortcuts right at your fingertips on your iPad Pro? Well, now you can. This is the brand new keyboard cover from Editor's Keys, and it features all of the Logic Pro shortcuts. Let me show you how it works. So how great does this look? This is the Logic Pro cover on my 11-inch iPad Pro, and we also have them for the 12-inch models as well. So we've matched the aesthetic to Logic Pro itself, so it's all black, white, and red, which looks really, really cool. And essentially how this works, this is going to give you easy access to all of the Logic Pro shortcuts. So let me just show you a couple now. So if you wanted to bring up the editor, you can just tap the E key, and that's going to bring up the editor. If you want to bring up the browser, press Y. And you can easily get to different elements of Logic Pro within a snap. It's that fast. Let's go to the mixer. So instead of tapping around the screen trying to find the on-screen shortcut, you can find it here, tap it, and you're in there right away. So there's a whole host of shortcuts here, as well as some extra shortcuts. If you see a red shortcut on the keyboard, this means you need to hold down the Command key to access that shortcut. Shortcuts like repeat, eject, get info, and open are all accessed by holding down the command and then pressing that shortcut. The rest of the shortcuts work by simply tapping them. So you've got shortcuts here like the mixer, cycle, folder, plugins, loop regions, and play surface, as well as many other ones. Now, other than boosting your music production speeds, this is also going to protect your iPad Pro's keyboard. You know how expensive this keyboard is. It's over £250 here in the UK, and if you spilt a coffee during a recording session, that would be game over for this keyboard. So by putting this little cover on, you're going to protect it against liquid spills, dirt, and dust. And the best part about it is you can also take it off and wash it under the tap multiple times. So that's a quick look at the new Logic Pro keyboard cover for your iPad Pro. I'll put a link to the product in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because we'll be doing a ton of tutorials for Logic Pro for iPad Pro. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.